Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum and Uptown 101 presents the Pearl Rosemont. So what we're going to do and see right now is a one-bedroom penthouse at the Pearl Rosemont. If you're looking for a beautiful penthouse, but not a huge one, this is going to be your perfect place. I've already previewed this. You're going to like it. This is going to be a quick walkthrough of the one-bedroom penthouse at the Pearl Rosemont. So let's walk through. Just gonna show this off to you. It's a super cute penthouse. So penthouse 4, you're in the top floor and you've got a beautiful apartment that's just perfect to manage. It's got a beautiful kitchen, lovely appliances, very, very nice apartment, all gorgeous white. The ceilings are tall, that's like about 15 feet. Beautiful island here with the fridge. It's just delightful. You've got some fantastic views waiting for you too. The views are going to be great over here. We'll step out and we'll do a detailed walkthrough so you can see that a little bit more, but this is what it looks like. This is your bedroom and you're going to have a great experience here. This is phenomenal. This is the bathroom. The bathroom has a gorgeous, huge mirror, and it's a dual vanity here. And you've got a beautiful walk-in shower there too. So this is a quick walkthrough, but it's a beautiful penthouse apartment where you could be on the penthouse floor for quite actually a modest price for the Houston area. Hey, if you like what you're seeing, two things. One is like this video on YouTube. Like this video, it gives me great feedback if you can, and then also subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the channel, and that way you get alerted when there's new beautiful apartments like this. Also, we have a detailed walkthrough we're about to do where you can see, I'm going to describe more of the features here, and so stay tuned for that, and you'll see more of the features, including we're going to walk out on that patio and get some of the views of what you're going to see here. So stay tuned for that detailed walkthrough. And it's coming up right after this. If you have any questions, and if you just want to comment on this, send me a text. My number's below. I'd love to hear from you what your thoughts on this one-bedroom penthouse are. Now let's do that detailed walkthrough.